Hello, everyone. My name is Steven Chen. I come from China. We product power supply. Our company name is Powerld. We have over 13 years old. We product powering supply use the LED display. Powerld has been leading designer and manufacturer for sweeping motor power supply located in Shenzhen City. It was approved by ISO 9001 and ISO 16001 from 2002. Powerld has over 1,000 employees and 100 engineers in R&D teams. The production capacities can reach 1 million power months, and the products are widely applied in industry or automation, telecom, LED display, railway, second system, mounting system, etc. We provide the full range of production as below. Okay, okay. Thank you, everyone. Our network is www.powered.com. Thank you.